Hello and Happy New Year from a somewhat snowy Somerset. Not so snowy, I haven't made it to the shop, so that's a good thing. And I am here to introduce our next knit along, which is starting on the 18th of January, so not long to go. And we are going to make a shawl this time round. Last time we did the ash slip over, so we did a nice garment. This time I thought we'd just sort of take it slightly easier and just have a nice kind of mindful knitting sort of project. So let me get on and show you what it is. We are going to be making the Sunray Shawl by Jule Kebelmann, and that's in her Hey Mama Wolf yarn, which is unbelievably gorgeous. So I'll show you the shawl first. So here's a picture. I've just printed off the front page of the pattern. So hopefully you can see that. That's in the mustard yellow. It's a double knit merino yarn, which I'll tell you a bit more about in a moment. And so that's 200 grams, if I didn't say that already. And then there's a 400 gram option. So if you are very cold, like I am today, and want a massive warm hug of a shawl, that might be an option. So there we go. That's it in the Mazarine blue. And you can hopefully see it's got this really lovely textured stitch pattern, which kind of gives ridges and valleys. So Eula's called it a leporello pattern, so like those little folded concertina notebook things. So yeah, that's very lovely. And the Skadi yarn it's a double knit merino, but it's merino dal, which is the softest breed of merino that is native to Europe, and it's organic, so it's all spun and dyed in mill in Turkey that specializes in organic yarns, and it's really extremely very soft. So I already stock a really lovely merino, the Merry Merino, and I thought, why do I need another merino? And they sent me this sample and I thought, I do need another merino. This is so extra soft. It's absolutely beautiful, and it's springy, bouncy and squishy, and it's so lovely. So as I said, this is the double knit version. There is also a sport weight version. I'm not stocking that yet. If you really want me to get some in for you, just let me know. That's called Mokosh. But yeah, so one thing at a time. I'm trying to be a good girl and not get all the things. So there we go. It's so lovely. That's the colour I'm using, which is Hawthorn Pink. I've got a shade card, which hopefully you can, I know colours don't always come true on the internet, but hopefully you can get an idea. They're such lovely sort of vintagey, muted but saturated and rich. Oh, just really nice shades. So there's plenty of options there. So the kits are available on the website. So as I said, there's a 200 gram shawl or a 400 gram shawl option, and you will receive the pattern as well. And all you need to do to join in is purchase the kit, and then you'll be added to the list to receive all the details. We will have Zoom meetings. I think I'll probably do one to launch it. There'll be one, and then one at the end and one in the middle, a sort of check-in, see how we're all getting on. I did do weekly ones previously, but they were a bit kind of, you know, not everyone could make all of them, and I'm not sure how successful they were. So I'll be doing it start, middle and end. And then I'll be doing regular videos and just keeping everyone in touch by email. And there's always the Facebook group if you want to share your progress, or Instagram. And I will be doing tutorial videos again. So if you have a look on my YouTube channel, you can see the videos that I recorded for our last knit along, which was the ash slip over knit along. And I have finished my slip over. I just need to actually block it. And I really wish I'd done it already because it's cold and I could be wearing it. Yeah, so that'll give you a flavour of what the tutorial videos are like. This one probably won't need as many videos, but I will do the same thing, take it through all the techniques. So I'm going right from winding a skein, because people might not have worked from a skein before. Cast on, there's a couple of options, long tail cast on or a German twisted cast on. And then all the techniques like increasing left or right, and then knit one below. Also, I've just done a video for that. So yeah, so they'll all be uploaded for participants. And yeah, I think that is probably about it. So I'm going to go off now and record winding a skein, and so I'll upload that in a bit. And any questions, just let me know. It's info@allabouttheyarn.co.uk. All the details are on the website. I've done a blog post. As I said, the kits are available there, and there's, you know, all the details. Oh, you'll need a 4.5mm fixed circular needle, 100 centimetres long. If you were doing the larger size, you might even need a longer needle, but yeah, so that should do you. Yeah, that's it. Hope to have you on board.